And just to give you a little idea of what freshman housing looks at the outside of it, it's raining today. There is actually a lot of rain in Fairfax, so definitely bring an umbrella. There's Dominion Hall down the street here. Got Grayson, Amherst here. It's kind of a big circle, I guess, for freshman housing here. But the cool thing is, right next to it, you just follow down this road here, just building just past there is Southside Dining Hall, so that's super close, which is convenient for them. Here's another area for upperclassmen rooms. This is called Liberty Square. So it is a big square full of buildings. It's really cool. Place in the center to hang out, chill outside. It's really nice. Hey guys, I wanted to give you a quick tour of my apartment and what it looks like. So let's do it. Enter in, got the kitchen. It's pretty messy in here. I don't be in here much, so I don't clean this room a lot, but and then you go in here. Right, here's my room. This is a double, so there's the other bed over here, and then I'm on the other side over here. Two closets. Closets are good size. So, yeah. That's about it. What's up, guys? Here's one of my friends here. Gonna answer a couple questions for us. Introduce yourself.
All right, my name is Ben Lucas, and I'm a freshman at George Mason.
Awesome. Why did you choose George Mason?
Because I already knew a bunch of people that go here, and all of them only really said like good stuff about it, and they have my major. So
nice. How do you feel about like students on campus, community, and stuff?
At least like everyone that I've met is like pretty nice, and like everyone's really supportive, like in classes, and like on my hall we're all like pretty talkative.
Nice. Yeah. And how do your classes go? I mean, are they good? Like students and professors and workload and stuff?
I mean, the workload isn't bad. The professors like seem like they actually care enough to like help you out and stuff, and then the students are like really supportive too.
That's good. So far, the first semester at George Mason, what are some pros and cons you'd say?
The pros are like everyone's really supportive and like help each other out with like homework and stuff, and I guess cons would be, I mean, I guess it can be kind of crowded in the forced triple, but other than that.
So with the freshman housing, they actually demolished a whole like apartment building that housed like 300 students. So they actually had to make forced triples, which are technically supposed to be 2 people in one room, but they had to add an extra bed in there because they had knocked down one building. So some of the freshmen have to have forced triples, which kind of sucks. But we don't really know the future plan on housing in that case. Cool. So from other schools you have looked at, what makes GMU different?
I think something that helps a lot is like the location of it, because since we're so close to DC and we can get free rides to the metro, it definitely helps with like internships and stuff, especially if you're going into like medical or government fields. And then I think like I've been to other colleges like James Madison, and it seems like their campus is a lot wider, but it makes it harder to like get to where you need to go faster. And here it's more like organized and condensed, so it's easier to get places.
Good stuff. Any last words? All right, signing up.